What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Black Sheep Keto, and welcome to another product review just for you subscribers out there. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right down there. It takes about 2 seconds. We just crossed 50,000 and we are well on our way to my lifelong goal of having 100,000 subs out there. So please help me out if you can. Plus, I just filmed like 6 product reviews today, so if you want to be updated as these things slowly come out over the next month, just make sure you ring that bell as well and you'll get notified right to your inbox as soon as one of these come out. So today, what are we talking about? We are talking about the Legendary Foods Strawberry Tasty Pastry. I think this is supposed to be a knockoff of a Pop-Tart. Something just gives me that vibe, I'm not really sure. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna go through the macros, the nutritional information, all that fun stuff, the ingredients, and then give it a taste to determine if it is something that you should spend your hard-earned money on. Is it gonna be all right? Is it gonna be really
Legend? Wait for it. Dairy.
I just have one of them, and this is the strawberry flavor. This came in like a keto crate, keto box, something like that. So yeah, I don't really know what they cost, don't really know where to get them, but I stole it from Olivia, and I'm gonna be trying it today. So we have 170 calories, 13 grams of fat, 21 total carbs, of which 8 are fiber, 5 are erythritol, and 4 are allulose. So that puts us at 4 net carbs per pastry, and there are 9 grams of protein. You know, guys, remember back, like, I don't know, maybe a year ago when I filmed that video of me eating a crazy amount of allulose and checking my blood sugar? And I told you guys, there's gonna be a day where this stuff is just in product all over the place. We just gotta kind of make that push to give people an incentive to start using it because it is such a great ingredient. Kind of looks like, especially today as I've been reviewing a ton of products, I'm seeing a lot of allulose, which kind of makes me happy, to be honest. I love allulose as a sweetener. It just reacts so much similarly to sugar than any other keto sweetener we have. So I have a lot of hope for the texture of the filling in this product. In any case, we should probably get to the ingredients. So we've got almond flour, a protein blend, which is a casein, collagen peptides, and whey protein isolate. We've got erythritol, sunflower oil, soluble corn fiber, allulose, cellulose, palm oil, and then it contains less than 2% of dried strawberries, vanilla extract, strawberry extract, gum arabica, sea salt, baking soda, gelatin, citric acid, xanthan gum, sunflower lecithin, modified food starch, glycerin, and a couple different dyes. In here, there's a lot of different stuff. Let's be honest here, and some of that gets to be a little bit weird, especially in like the less than 2% category. Not a huge fan of sucralose. It's not bad for keto in terms of like glycemic index, but it's not exactly great for your gut microbiome. But if you drink diet sodas, honestly, you got nothing to complain about because there's plenty of sucralose in those. Couple other things that I'm not a huge fan of is modified food starch. It's not very specific as to what they're using, so it's really hard to tell what it is. But it is so far down on the ingredient list, and it's so far down on the less than 2% of list that I'm not really gonna worry about it, to be honest with you. So would I call this a strict keto product based on some of the interesting things in the ingredient label like that? Yes and no. It could be, but we don't know. But I would definitely call it keto friendly. Looking at the macros, looking at the ingredients, you could definitely make this work on a keto diet. So for me, yeah, I would eat it. So now, since we've determined that I would actually try these things, I think it's time to actually try eating it. So let me get this thing opened up and we'll take a bite and see what we think. All right, guys, the moment of truth. Does it look like a Pop-Tart? I mean, kind of. It looks like something happened to my frosting, but that's all right. Like, texturally, it does feel like a Pop-Tart. For whatever reason, there's like a chunk of the glaze that was down here that is like stuck up here. It's almost like it's like some type of a paper type glaze. Not really sure. Or it just flaked off in the box and heat does weird things. In any case, let's take a bite out of this thing because I haven't had a Pop-Tart in like, I don't know, 5 years. This is a little bit of an exciting moment. Let's go for it. All right, so does this taste like a Pop-Tart? Well, to my recollection, Pop-Tarts were a little bit more dry and crumbly. This actually holds together really well. But the strawberry filling is absolutely delicious. That glaze or frosting that they have on top is fantastic as well. And the texture of the dough, it stays together well. It has a nice chew to it. The flavors overall are fantastic as well. So as far as I'm concerned, yeah, this is wait for it, dairy. Like, I really do enjoy this product. And I would probably buy more of them if I'm being totally honest with you guys. So in terms of flavor and texture, I'm giving it a 5 out of 5, and I'm gonna give the ingredients a 4.5 out of 5. So if we average them, that's gonna be about a 4.75 out of 5 for this product, and overall, I love it. This is probably one of my favorite keto products that I have tried today, and I highly recommend that you try it if you can get your hands on some. With that, I am going to go ahead and close the video. So if you like this video, leave it a like. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that for me, leave them down in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed yet, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit that subscribe button, show some love, and I will see you in the next one.